I carry my home wherever I go, literally. And I was wearing a red top, but I changed it into a black top because I was like, hair color हमेशा black top में best लगता है. So yeah, I changed it and I literally carry my home. People will think like I'm crazy carrying my laptop and everything. So yeah. Oh my freaking lord, it's heavy. What's up guys? So I have finally reached. I was supposed to reach at like 12 o'clock, but I am definitely late and I reached at like what? It's 1:30. No, I was supposed to reach at 1 o'clock. It's 1:30, so I'm late. And there was a lot of traffic. Like my luck was so bad that there was so much traffic. But I've reached and I'm still sitting and vlogging, which is the worst. So I should really go and see what happens inside. So we are here finally. I'm gonna talk like really slow and low, but I think we're gonna go for ash browns and pink. That's what we're thinking.
So I drove to Gurgaon for this hair color to new salon, and you can watch me looking like a ghost all day long with all those soils. So let's go.
First step is basically done. They have lightened my hair, like it's sort of like an ombre balayage together, and it's just bleach right now. And they have obviously mixed something where like the hair doesn't like go into damage entirely. And can you believe it, I'm still deciding what color do I have to get it done. I'm still confused between like an ash brown or an ash grey or like literally like red or violet. So I'm like, you bleach it first and then we're gonna decide as to what's gonna happen.
Just do it!
So yeah, and just sitting, it's so heavy. Like I look like a freaking ghost right now. Just look at my hair. I look like a freaking ghost. Also working on the side because it's important. Finally, hair is bleached. It took me like years to bleach my hair. इधर
हाँ जी मैंने सभी किया है बिल्कुल कुछ हमने पिलाइट किया है एंड उसके बाद हम लोग इसको रिंस कर रहे हैं एंड अभी जो इसका टोन है थोड़ा सा येलोइश है तो इसको हम लोग थोड़ा सा न्यूट्रलाइज करेंगे.
It's like इधर मैंने कुछ भी नहीं कराया because I'm so scared of the damage. So like I didn't get anything done here.
अब हम लगा रहे हैं टोनर. Now guys we are using Nashi Espresso on Cherry's hair and we'll see the results.
Finally the work has been done. All my split ends are gonna go away. And I also got bangs. Even though I have a round face, I was like, I'm gonna get it done. This is like my impulsive phase. सब कुछ ही करा लिया मैंने.
So just do it!
Ta-da! So this is the final look. Oh my god, I look like a different person altogether. I'm not even kidding. And like obviously it got so late, like उस दिन की मतलब मैंने obviously आके record नहीं किया. And obviously I've washed my hair also because लोग हमेशा ना before after एकदम freshly salon washed hair दिखाते हैं. वो बहुत different होता है. And like when you wash your hair, it looks like a different thing altogether. Like whenever you get something done. So मैंने सोचा कि मैं अपना बाल wash करूँगी. So I'm shooting it after like 2-3 days. But yeah, this is my new hair color. Oh my god, I can't even tell you. Like I don't know, I look like a different person altogether. And someone who's following me on Instagram know that I keep posting about my hair makeover regrets. क्योंकि मैंने काफ़ी कुछ रिग्रेट किया करके अपनी ज़िंदगी में बहुत कुछ मतलब मैंने इतना ज़्यादा एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं करा. I'm gonna put like pictures of whatever I've gotten it done here. And like I've never experimented. Like if you see, it's all like browns and like balayage, light brown and stuff like that. मैंने last experiment सिर्फ red किया था. तो उसके बाद this is like the boldest experiment I have gotten it done. People who are wondering कि कौन सा hair color है, it's ash grey. एंड ऐश ग्रे बालियाज प्लस ombre. मैंने अपने रूट्स में कुछ भी नहीं कराया बिकॉज no matter whoever in this community says that hair color doesn't damage your hair, they are wrong because I feel it does damage your hair even a little bit. Like I'm sure like they do, like जैसे न्यू वालों ने ना, जो मैं सालों में गई थी, they did like a treatment जिसमें मतलब मेरे बाल डैमेज ना हो, क्योंकि जब वो ब्लीच लगा रहे थे उन लोगों ने बहुत कुछ ऐसा यूज किया कि डैमेज ना हो, बट देन यू नो you're putting something on your hair so it obviously damages. Maybe like a brown doesn't damage that much, but this color or like a very other like a color, I don't know, like you know it does damage and you need to take care of your hair. Like you can't just be like hair color kara rahi and this is it. So it does damage your hair. That's why मैंने roots में कुछ भी नहीं कराया and मैंने सिर्फ नीचे नीचे कराया. So he did like a balayage and an ombre का combination so that it doesn't look like black plus ash gray. So that's a good thing and that's a good job he has done. अब तो हो ही गया. अब बैंग्स भी कर ही दो, आज कर ही दो आप. तो उसने कहा कि आप श्योर हो, आप श्योर हो, क्योंकि everybody thinks that I have a round face so bangs wouldn't look good on me. मैंने कहा मेरे को कराना है, मेरे को कराना है. मैं कर दो, आज ही कर दो, सब कुछ आज ही कर दो. एंड ये हुआ. आई एम नॉट रिग्रेटिंग इट राइट नाउ टू बी ऑनेस्ट. मुझे लगता है कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था दूसरे दिन कि यार ये ऐसा कलर है जो तूने कलर करके ऐसे तुमने पर्पल कर लिया और पर्पल फेड हो गया था, ऐसा कलर आता है. मुझे ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही थी बट एवरीबडी सेड इट्स लुकिंग नाइस, सो आई एम जस्ट गोना गो विद द फ्लो. आई लाइक इट. लेट्स सी अब मैं नेक्स्ट इसके ऊपर आई एम गोना गेट लाइक बाय सम लाइक colors online and just put it on my head like a lilac or something. But right now I'm loving it. To be honest, I love the bangs. It doesn't matter if I have a round face or like a square face, oval shape. I don't really care. I think I'm like a new person altogether. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And this is all about my hair makeover. I got it done from a salon called New. I think they do like the craziest hair makeovers. They do like really good makeovers. मैंने online इतना देखा है ना उनका, उन लोग इतने अच्छे अच्छे कलर्स करते हैं. तो मुझे मैंने वो कलर नहीं कराया. मैं गई थी कि पर्पल कराऊंगी बट जाते कलर मैंने चेंज कर लिया. सो एंड मुझे ब्राउन तो बिल्कुल नहीं कराना था. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं पूरी जिंदगी ब्राउन में रह सकती हूँ. लाइक once I'm like married and all, I might not get like a purple or something. I'm not one of them, I think. So I'm not gonna get like a purple or something. So I thought like brown तो कभी भी करा सकते हैं. So brown was like out of the picture. So they told me like ash is like really in. So I got an ash. And also they are like, I stay in Delhi but I went to Gurgaon to get a hair makeover done, my sister was like, you're stupid. I'm like, no, they do like a good job and they actually did a good job. So that is pretty much about it. And people who are wondering and they have messaged me that how much does this cost? It costs like around 10 to 15,000 depending on the length of your hair and like density of your hair and stuff. So it also depends कि आपके hair का length क्या है. And also it's like, you know, it depends from person to person, so I can't really give you like a specific rate. And yeah, also like they are opening a salon in Delhi also, so like I don't know, like just in case you guys are wanting to get a hair makeover. But yeah, this is my video and like this is my hair makeover. I'm gonna put like a before and after for you guys to see it. And yeah, if you like this video, comment down below, like this video, subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot. Please guys, I'm now posting regularly. You can subscribe to my channel also. I'll see you soon.